Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Hbar price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, and also above a key area of support at around the $0.0639 mark, which are both acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement area, which I have highlighted here on the charts using this red target area. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.078 mark. And having seen that higher Elliott wave count 1 and also seen a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 2, I now believe that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting here on the Hbar chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you my target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. And that now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.0968 mark. And that is the minimum that I'm expecting Hbar to do here on the short-term scenarios. And for that move to also play out, there are key moves that I'm keeping my eyes on. And the first one is that we need to continue holding above the 20-day MA and also above our key area of support at around the $0.0639 mark. And as long as we are holding above those key areas of support, there are high chances that we are going to continue gearing up, continue unlocking higher prices, and also get us to our next key area of resistance at around the $0.0689 mark. And the moment we manage to break above that key area of resistance, we can expect a successful retest before we can continue gearing up, where we can now start watching the wave 1 high of this Elliott wave structure right here, which lies at around the $0.0779 mark. Because the moment we manage to break above the wave 1 high of this Elliott wave structure, that will be enough confirmation that we are seeing an impulsive move to the upside, which is going to help us fully maximize our target areas in the formation of that wave 3. So those are the key moves that we need to continue keeping our eyes on here on the Hbar chart. And we also need to continue holding within this red target area, which lies between the $0.067 mark and the $0.0618 mark. And as long as we are holding within the red target area, there are high chances that we are going to see the reversal to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting on the short-term scenarios, and also giving you the long-term outlook here on the Hbar chart, where you can see that I have these Elliott wave structures in yellow, where we peaked in that first wave, then started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2 within this yellow target area. And now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the formation of this higher Elliott wave count 3, which is an impulsive wave. And because of its impulsive nature, I'm also expecting to see a 5 wave structure in formation, where you can now see that I have this Elliott wave structure in blue, where we have now peaked in that first wave, seen a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has managed to get into the minimum retracement area down there. And now my primary scenario is that we are now seeing the formation of this wave 3. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of this wave 3, I'm also expecting to see another micro Elliott wave count within the formation of that wave 3, where you can now see that I have this Elliott wave structure in red, where we have peaked in that first wave, seen a wave 2, and now the primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing is the formation of that wave 3, and this Elliott wave structure in red is what has just given me the short-term scenarios, having the target areas in the formation of that wave 3 at the area at around the $0.0968 mark. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios and also on the long-term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 53 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.